everyone, it's Marky. Today I just wanted to talk about this herb grow kit. So this is for growing like herbs that you cook with, and I absolutely love it. I love gardening and I love especially having an herb garden in the summer. This is absolutely perfect for anybody who is inexperienced or experienced. It's super easy and they give you absolutely everything that you need. So it comes with 8 different little pots to pot them in. I love that they're different colors. And then it also comes with the little saucers. So these are just what you're going to place your pot right into so that the water drains and you can remove it as needed. It also comes with peat moss. So this thing is going to be your soil. It's really easy to use. All you do is place it into the bottom of this cup, and the cups are obviously ventilated at the bottom so the water and moisture can get out. So you just place it right in the bottom like that, and you're going to add your water to it and it's gonna expand. They're really, really compact like this. It's gonna fluff up and fill up this cup enough for you to be able to plant your seeds. It also does come with the seeds. It comes with a whole bunch of different varieties. There's basil, parsley, lemon balm, oregano, curled chive, thyme, rosemary, and cilantro. So there's a whole bunch of them. It comes with a nutrition packet also. It is actually kelp nutrition. It comes in just a little small container like that. So you're gonna use that to feed your plants as well as you watering them. And then it does have, which is my favorite part, I think is so cute, these little plant markers with all of the names of the herbs that you get. And it also has a little thing right here that says sowed on, so you can actually write down the date of when you planted it, just to be able to keep up with it a little bit. Great to do with kids too. My kids, I've done it before in the past. They absolutely love it. It's really interactive and it's fun for them to be able to kind of learn about gardening a little bit more. It also comes with this grow guide right here. This on the inside tells you every single specific detail about each herb that you're planting. So how much sun it needs, how much water it needs, what to look out for. Super, super helpful. I just think it's really cute. I think the containers are really cute, especially with the little markers in them. So if you're looking for a fun summer activity or a good gift, I think this would be a perfect choice. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.